understood, but what's the world without it? Fucking like I missed her. Life is the bitch, and death is her sister. Sleep is the present, what a fucking family picture. So I couldn't maintain it. I beat it. Talking to myself because I am my own consultant. Married to the one that took the world, just a dope. You know I'm a ball till they turn off the field lights. The fruits of my labor, I enjoy them while they still right. Yeah, word to my mama, I'm out of my llama bean. Don't wanna see what the drama mean, get some drama mean.